Businesses that have survived a lot more are those that are able to solve society or social needs. And today, one of the major needs that the world is contending with has to do with the environment. Everyone is concerned about the depletion of the ozone layer. And indeed, there are those that are smart enough to see the importance of businesses anchored on such need. We explore some of these opportunities and those making it big in this space.
So we as a company, we are innovators. We looked at what is happening as a problem in the country and in the world about the environment. So as a company, we came up with innovations that tend to reduce, at least with a certain percentage, over those deaths that are occurring in our country. The company produces cook stoves, and these are fast cooking stoves that use variable different energies or fuels apart from charcoal.
Tubaletedde ekintu kino nti tutunuulira ensawo n'ebyetwetoolodde kasasiro omukalu yenna nga tusobola okumukozesa n'esigiri eno. Esigiri zonna ze tukola zisobola okukozesa ebintu ebyo byonna bye tugambye, ebikoola bya ffene, kasasiro omukalu, ebiwata by'amatooke ebikalu eby'emmere, ebikongoliro oba olina ebikongoliro nga bikalu bulungi nnyo, esigiri eno ojja giteekamu enku bbiri, obezeeko ebikongoliro. Oyagala kuba obeza mmere, oteekamu enku, n'oteekamu ebiwata bye by'emmere nga bikalu bulungi nnyo, osobola okufumba.
Renewable energy technology is not for only middle class. It's for every person in this world. We need energy, but how clean is it? And how safe is it? So as a company, we come into that area, which is an opportunity for us. So with an opportunity, it tends to make us create innovations that are good in terms of renewable energy. I told you we go into cook stove, we go into biomass gasification, in which we manufacture biomass equipments that use biomass waste to generate wood gas that can run generators apart from fuel and apart from petrol and diesel. The stoves that we make are fast cooking stoves. Our stoves, for the example, I can tell you that to boil 4 liters of water at 100 degrees, you only take 180 grams, and those are 2 small pieces of wood, and you are doing it in 3 minutes. So that's how fast we are looking at. And how does our stove turn someone to start an income generating activity? We make stoves that make people to generate income by making their own fuels at home. So we don't need more of the cutting of trees. We need to utilize most of all what we have: the peppers, the grass, the coffee acids, all the wasted peppers. You buy a shoe and you throw away the box. The box is a fuel. So in our stove is used. I need to warm coffee in the morning, tea, I don't know, you need a box. The benefits of this kind of technology, we are looking at saving lives. The company looks towards providing equitable access to clean cooking by 2026, that every Ugandan household has a very good clean cooking stove. And sufficient to cook, to save life. Also, we look at carbon emissions, environmental change, because due to black carbon emissions by some of the energies that we use, we try to do a reduction over that to the atmosphere, which lead to some bit of horizontal changes into the climate change and that we are going to face. The company is looking towards making power containers, apart from cook stoves. I told you biomass gasification equipment for producing power. This is our project. By 2022, we should be having power containers that produce up to 1 megawatt power. You just buy a power container and then we do rural distribution using the coffee husks, using the maize cobs, the guinea shells, and so many other farm wastages into that system. So what we bring in is improvement in terms of agricultural acreage production, chain supply, value addition in areas which the government cannot distribute power to the end.